In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can avoid those annoying surface imperfections like scaling and dusting when you're doing DIY concrete work at home. You know, getting that smooth, durable finish without any flaky or powdery mess is totally doable if you follow some smart tricks. First off, make sure your concrete mix has the right water to cement ratio. You don't want it too wet because that makes the surface weak and prone to dusting. Use clean, fresh water and mix it well so everything blends smoothly. When you pour the concrete, don't wait too long before you start finishing it. If you let it sit too long, it dries unevenly and causes scaling. Also, keep an eye on the weather. If it's super hot or windy, try to protect the surface with covers or mist it lightly to prevent it from drying too fast. Another tip is to use a good quality curing compound or keep the concrete moist for at least a week. This helps the surface cure evenly and stay strong. When you're finishing, avoid overworking the surface because that can bring too much water and cement to the top, leading to dusting later. If you're using any surface treatments or sealers, pick ones made for concrete and follow the instructions carefully. Lastly, always prep your base properly before pouring. Make sure it's compacted and level so the concrete sets right from the start. One of the biggest mistakes people make is adding too much water to the mix thinking it will make things smoother, but that's a quick way to get dusting and weak spots. Another common issue is rushing the curing process. If you let your concrete dry out too fast, it cracks and scales easily. Lastly, ignoring weather conditions can totally mess up your pour. Extreme heat or wind dries concrete unevenly and causes surface problems. To fix these, just stick to the right water ratio, keep the concrete moist while curing, and protect your work from harsh weather with tarps or shade. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners like us can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to concrete and other home projects. Contractors also get a chance to connect with people looking for work, making it easier to find gigs that fit their skills and schedule.